keeping your dog's nails trimmed is crucial to their health, safety, and comfort. L&W Brothers Pet Nail Grinder can be charged via any USB port. The battery lasts up to 9 hours after 4-hour charging. The mute motor only produces a little noise and vibration. You can choose from 2 speeds and 3 grinding ports. And the LED light helps to see where the quicks are. They leave a smooth, clean edge after trimming. Regular paw care with L&W Brothers & All Grinder gives you a healthy and well-maintained dog.